The 2023 Ford Puma captivates with its blend of urban agility and stylish design. Experience the convenience of the quick clear heated windscreen for instant visibility on frosty mornings. Plus, enjoy the precision handling of sport suspension, enhancing every drive with responsive control and a smooth ride. Step inside to find Sensico partial premium upholstery for added elegance and a full digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster for immersive driving data. Call or visit Hendy Ford Fareham today to schedule your test drive of the 2023 Ford Puma. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.